Fuck it, I'll do it in real time. Right, come on. So we've got tarpaulin guidelines, trekking poles just in case we need them. Right, the only thing I need from here is an all-day breakfast. And maybe, just maybe, a peanut butter, and that's it. So that stuff over here, I'm not taking. We've got a brew kit here. Double check what I've got in there. Got some Kenko, some other stuff. Let's reduce that inside. And we've got another stuff there. I don't need that. We've got a sandwich which I'm taking with me. We've got a sit mat I need. This one I got for a meal deal, so I thought I'm fed up with crisps, so that's like a light mini flapjack, so that's going to go in the food bit. We've got the Labian white. So this is a food one, so let's whack these in there. Boots, obviously. What's this? These are Paco waterproofs, I think. Yeah, I'm not wearing those. So in that bag here, is all the stuff that I don't need. That can go in there. Bag there. Right, so I'm going to bring the cheap tripods. I need the first aid kit, and that's got my spare compass in there as well. And I've got some feet in there. That's going in there. Careful. We've got waterproofs which I'm wearing, so I'll put that on the left of what I'm wearing. So, boots obviously I'm wearing. Let's see what you can pick up. Perfect. Right, what else is in there? Phone. That's going to be inside the jacket. Norwegian, which is going in the pack. What's this? This one is Skin So Soft, because I'm in the woodland, I'm going to get eaten alive. This is my head torch. This is my charger. This is my auxiliary pouch for filming. And these are my GoPro batteries. Right. What's that? I couldn't find the straw for the I'll put that in there, for the other coffee, so I gave up looking. And then I've got the chest mount, which is there. That's on me. My S5 is in the I'm going to keep these wrapped round. These are 2A lights. I'm going to keep these wrapped round me. So I might need to use them for external light source. Right. So I haven't got my gaiters, so let's follow me to the car. Just going to go and get the gaiters. Okay, get back over it, make sure you're in shot. So I need gaiters as well, so let's put these car keys in here, because what's happened before, because I've hiked, what's going on with these legs? That's it, that one's a bit dodge. That's it. Let's line you up. That's it. I want to put my car keys basically in here. That goes with my phone. Right. Let's sort my jacket out. So I've decided to wear my jacket. So it's got everything in there, it's got my gloves and everything. So I'm going to put these are my